this from Prime Days and I love it. Arm day done. Got the goods. I got sour blue raspberry strips this time. Coffee time. They're ready. Happy Wednesday. Getting ready for the gym, and you know, if it's summertime, it is 7:30 because I'm going to the 8:30. So I've got another OxJox outfit. This is a new one. I got this from Prime Days and I love it. I have a bunch of these bras now, and then I've been experimenting with different shorts. These are crossover, slightly different. The ones I had yesterday with the orange had like a little gathery thing, which was cute. These have the little Trinity. They did have a spot on them, so my butt has a little wet spot where I tried to dab it out. So hopefully it comes out in the wash, because it was like right on the bum, and you know, like a light color when it's like just so obvious. But anyway, getting ready for the gym. Gotta put on the burn tank now. And here it is. Apparently it was just Native's 10-year birthday, which I'm like, go you. I've known about them for like 5 years. So this is an old one that I stopped using. I thought it wasn't really working that well, but I don't know, I used it the other day and I think it was good. The Candy Shop gummy bears. It's very, very candy-y. I just love Native. It is a deodorant, not an antiperspirant, but it does not have aluminum. I have heard it's not as clean as they want you to believe, but I mean, I think the fact that I'm not using aluminum is huge. So that's like the main thing I'm worried about. So I love Native. If you have a natural deodorant that you love, I would be curious. I know there's a few. I tried Lumi once and it smelled really weird, but I've heard they improved their scents. So I don't know. I actually have it here and it smells bad. I think this one is old at this point. Yeah, there's something wrong with it. But I didn't like it. I mean, I would try it again, but I don't know. I'm kind of glad I pulled that out though, because it was taking up space in that drawer and it's definitely gone bad. Look who it is. Precious. Hello, good morning. Arm day done. That was a good one. It is 9:30. I am stopping at a Dunkin and then I'm going to my other gym because my steps have just been really sad. And the day that I went to my other gym and like walked on the treadmill after burn was so amazing. And it's just like, I can't always get myself to do that. However, I'm only at 1,707 steps today, and I know in my head how the rest of my day is gonna go if I just use the last few days as a clue. So I am gonna walk on the treadmill because that is the right thing to do. Got the goods. You just missed 777777777. Ryan Trahan has convinced me to try to get Joyride candy at 7-Eleven. So, I mean, I wouldn't hate to be in one of their videos, so I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go. I found a 7-Eleven. Got the goods. I got sour blue raspberry strips this time. Last time I got watermelon. I don't even know if I ever showed you them. They also had this legendary thing, like a cinnamon sweet roll. It says it has 20 grams protein. I don't know. It called to me. 7-Eleven supposedly has some special flavor of Joyride, but I couldn't find it. So I just had to go with what I could find. I really liked the watermelons. That was what I got the last time from my Target order. Maybe I did show you in my Target order. I don't know. Anyway, I need to go home. It's almost 11. Back at home, and I'm gonna make protein bagels using my favorite recipe that I learned from Morgan Green of equal parts plain Greek yogurt and self-rising flour. I just do a full tub. So I get the Trader Joe's non-fat plain Greek yogurt. I do a full tub of this. I do 2 cups of flour, maybe a little bit more if it like feels too sticky. And then I'm gonna set the oven. I'm gonna do 375. I did 350 the last time and they weren't quite done. So I'm gonna try 375 for 30 minutes. All right, so bake. 375, start. And then personally, I like to do parchment paper on a cookie sheet. This is like a junk one that I use for this kind of a thing. I have good cookie sheets that I'm not allowed to use for that. Cookies only. Coffee time. They're ready. They look so delish. Bagel time.